Let's review the on-target living Alaskan cod liver oil with organic lemon flavor. It stands out by eliminating the typical fishy taste and won't leave you burping fish flavor all day. Additionally, it doesn't coat your throat or esophagus, so there's no gagging. This product is non-GMO certified and packed with omega-3 fatty acids, including DHA and EPA. Another thing I liked was the presence of naturally occurring vitamins A and D. I will definitely buy this cod liver oil again. You can find the link on the bio.